Yeah, we had to make sure we pronounced that properly when we... Oh, wait, there's...
No, Worcester is
Worcester. That's what I thought. So,
Okay, well, then this is either another place where it's a misprint.
So
That's how it is in the article.
I know, that's what I'm reading.
No, I'm just saying that it wasn't from us. That's exactly how they posted.
I know. So is this a place in Mass?
Is it a Bill Cosby
I
quote?
think it's Worcester. I think it's Worcester, Massachusetts, but they spelled it wrong.
It's exactly how they. It's exactly how they. It's exactly how they.